How to sidechain kick and 808. Hey everyone, today I show you how to sidechain your kick and 808 to get a cleaner, more powerful low end in your tracks. Let's get started. First, open your DAW and load your kick and 808 tracks. The goal here is to make the kick duck the 808 slightly whenever it hits, so they don't clash in the mix. Now, add a compressor to your 808 track. In the compressor settings, find the sidechain input and set it to your kick track. This way, the compressor on the 808 will be triggered by the kick. Adjust the compressor's threshold to a level where you see the 808 volume lower each time the kick hits. Set the ratio between 3:1 and 5:1 for a subtle effect. Then, tweak the attack and release. Try a fast attack and medium release to keep the duck in tight and responsive. Play around with these settings until you get a clean, punchy balance, and that's it, you've sidechained your kick and 808 for a better mix. If this helped, like and subscribe for more audio tips. Thanks for watching.